Jerry and Aaron here. Alright, so today we're going to kind of talk about vehicles in general. This is a client's car we clean once a month. When we get here, it's completely gone. I mean, it's loaded with stuff, but that's not the point today. We're going to talk about how you treat your customers. So we've done got a lot of the mess out of this car. And here's the thing, guys. Aaron's vacuuming up rugs, and this lady, if she didn't have all these floor mats protection, her carpets would be ruined. And I want to emphasize, stress to your clients, hey, invest a little bit of money into some rubber floor mats. It is well worth the hassle for their carpets. I mean, I'd rather clean these 10 to 1 over trying to shampoo and extract gummy stuff out of carpets. But here's the thing. We clean these cars up once a month. They get pretty dirty. She's got 3 kids. But you know what? That's what pays our bills. Don't dog your customers. Don't go on YouTube talking about how trashed people are and how people don't take care of their stuff and that kind of thing, because those are the people that pay your bills. If it weren't for these customers, we wouldn't have cars to clean. And it's not right. You don't know somebody's story. You don't know how people live. A lot of times the reflection of their car is not how they live. You travel a lot, you spend a lot of time in your car. We did as kids, I did with my kids, and their kids, and so on. And we live a busy life, and cleaning your vehicle to a lot of people is not the priority, especially when they have somebody like us to come and do it for them. And no hassle, they don't have to fool with it. They get a brand new shiny car again, and that's where you want to be. You want them to trust that you will clean their car no matter what. So don't go on YouTube to bash your clients, man. It's not what you're here for. Clean their vehicle, take care of their vehicle, and they will come back. You will get return clients just like we do. Doesn't matter the mess. That's why you're here, is to clean their mess. So when you're out there cleaning somebody's car and you go on YouTube and you talk about how disgusting people are and it should never blah 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 blah, don't do that. Clean your car. Take care of your clients. They will take care of you. Like I said, they pay the bills. So with that said, here we go. Hot day yesterday, wasn't there? Hot again today. So tonight is episode 3 of Obi-Wan Kenobi, and we're excited. I'm ready. Star Wars is one of our favorite series of shows out. We like the Star Wars shows. I like them a lot. And I think I've come to love this little brush, this little Blue Hawk brush from Lowe's. I think it's my favorite brush so far. I really like it. What are you using up there, Aaron?
The first brushes we got.
First brushes we ever got. Junk.
I like them.
Junk.
Long handle, skinny handle.
Well, let us know in the comments how many brushes have you went through until you found one that you really like to use. We bought, let me see yours, Aaron. So we bought these first. Actually, we bought some wooden handle ones first that had like boar's hair brush, and they worked really good, but they started curling up and fraying out a little bit.
Isn't boar's head, isn't that?
It's a pig.
Isn't that a meat though?
Boar's head is a lunch meat. That's right, yeah. But then we got these. This is the second batch we got, and we like them pretty good too. They still work. They're actually holding up longer than the other ones did. But I bought some expensive brushes and they're just too soft. They don't act like they scrub good enough. You know, some of this stuff you got to scrub and they don't scrub. So how many trial and error things, or do you just buy one and go with it because you bought it? How do you take care of your stuff? What's the best way you guys found to clean them? I like the way these foam up good. Like a good sudsy. And I think it just gets in there and scrubs. It's a little bit stiffer, but I think it's just more hairs put together, because I think it's technically a paintbrush. But I like it's round. I think I get $6 for it. It's a good price. We got 2 of them. Aaron uses one, so don't let him kid you. You got to take care of your clients. This is the kind of vehicle they give you. That's what you deal with. That's the reason you know, we can't all clean cars, right there. Very few times do we get a clean car to clean. Every now and then we luck into one.
What we mean by clean cars is just a wipe down, quick vacuum.
Yeah, just a wipe down, a quick vacuum. You know, a lot of these
cars are pretty bad.
A lot of these guys, and you know, bigger cities where you got more people, they tend to get people that probably maintenance their cars a lot more than they do here in Kentucky. Car maintenance here in Kentucky is not a priority to anybody much. And
you drive down the road and it's dirty.
We still have here in Kentucky, where we live, a lot of gravel roads. We have a lot of dirt roads still. Construction all the time on the roads, and it's just hard to keep your vehicle clean. A lot of people's driveways are still gravel here, so you know, keeping the vehicle clean is not their priority, like it would be ours, or you know, somebody else. But a lot of guys on YouTube, if you notice, that's another thing that burns my butt, is these guys will review a product on a clean vehicle. It makes no sense. They review a tire cleaner on a clean tire. It makes no sense. You really can't tell no difference. And then, you know, putting tire shine on a tire doesn't make the tire clean. So I don't know, I'm just griping today. Saw some videos where clients were, or detailers were dogging their clients' cars about how dirty they were and this and that. But guys, this is, I mean, if you don't want to do it, don't do it. Get out of the business. Give the rest of us the business. But I mean, it's what you're here for, is clean, dirty cars, you know. It just depends on the area you live in, is how bad they're going to be. Some are worse than others. And
we see videos with clickbait that says neglected for 10 years, not been cleaned 10 years, and we get cars that have been cleaned every month worse than this.
Yeah. So it's kind of, I don't know. And then we watched a detailer talk about, you know, he was honest about it. He said there's a difference between cleaning a car for YouTube and cleaning a car for business. YouTube, they take more time and they really try to show how to clean. I don't even know how to describe it, but there's a big difference. And if you watch these guys and they say they clean a car and cleaned a full detail in an hour and a half, they're full of baloney. They are full of baloney. You cannot detail a dirty car in an hour and a half. It ain't gonna happen. And with me and Aaron, there's two. We always have 2 of us. We don't do it, and we get, I mean, it takes us 3.5 hours on every car. But we really go over them good, make sure they're scrubbed up, cleaned up. So
our non-dirty cars take an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah. So yeah, wow. These guys are, they're cleaning clean cars in an hour and a half, and sometimes there's 4 guys trying to clean on a vehicle. And although we would like to have 2 more guys, I don't think I'd like to have them on the same vehicle, because kind of getting in each other's way. You can't wash the outside while we're in on the inside, and if you technically put a guy in 2 guys in the front, 2 guys in the back, you're not going to get anything done that way either. But we just clean cars, man. That's all we do. We get done what we need to get done. I gotta get in here and steam these seats, and just want to rant a little bit about stuff I see on YouTube that bothers me. You know, because I'm like everybody else. I go home tonight and watch some YouTube, try to learn some things, and laugh at some things, and I laugh at a lot of detailers. And I ain't saying we do everything right, but we get the cars clean and clients call us back. So however you want to put that and interpret that, that's how it's done. Hey, Aaron, is it just us or every car we clean got glitter in it? I think every car we clean has glitter in it, and I want to know who the glitter manufacturers are, because we got to protest. It's talking about something hard to get out of the floors. Whew. Alright, so we got her cleaned up. She's looking like a nice vehicle. Looking all clean and pretty. Aaron is supposed to wash the rubber mat. The last step is mat. She gets an interior on this one. The door panels are looking way better. Seats, got the seats good and clean. See the seat. Good and clean. Floors. Good and clean. You can see, I know you can see them back seats good or not. GoPros don't work very good in the dark, but there you go. Yeah, she's all cleaned up. Pretty. Front door. Front's looking good. Yeah, man. So surprisingly, you know, you see this thing in the shape it was in. Really, really simple, easy to clean up. The carpets are actually good to clean. They're not the hard to clean carpets. The stuff comes out of them pretty good. Not tough. There's that door. Seats. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, guys, you know, I guess the moral of my story is, you know, don't dog your customers' cars. They're the ones that make you the money. You're in this business to clean. Do your job. Do your job. Do it the best of your ability, and you will get more work. And that is the cold hard truth, boys. Do your job, do it right. You won't get complaints, you won't get callbacks for problems. You get callbacks for more work, and they tell all their buddies what's going on, and tell them what a good job you can do on their vehicle, you know. And people know, say, man, that car was in bad shape, and they cleaned that. They definitely can clean ours. So, what do you think, Aaron?
It's ready for you to hold up.
Ready for me to hold it up. It's ready for me to hold it up so I can get wet while he sprays me, is what that is. All right, this is Jerry and Aaron. Another day. We got a boat to clean next, so we'll see you in a little bit.